Hello students, welcome back to CSC 151 Computer Applications. And this week we're going to be going into Microsoft Excel. So, I'm certain a lot of people have worked with Microsoft Excel before, but just in case, this video is going to be a brief overview of just generalized stuff before we actually move on to the actual individual lectures that I have set up here, or basically set up here. So, first things first, this is Excel. And this up here is the ribbon. This thing at the very top. The home, the insert, double click it, it goes away, click it again, it comes back, click, 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 click. You can probably hear the clicks anyway on the mouse. So I have different stuff that I can change here. And what is in this ribbon will in fact wind up changing based on what version of Excel you have. So, if by any chance you don't see something that I have up here, let me just go and use this and say Google Sheets. Google Sheets is free, and all you need to do is sign in with your Gmail. So I will be showing versions of these assignments, or whenever I find something that will generally not be available in certain versions, as I have had that happen in this class numerous times before, I will be showing you the Google Sheets variant on this. So, let you know that. So now, what exactly is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet broken up into cell. What's a cell? That's a cell. That's a cell. That's a cell. Everything I click on is a cell. A cell is made up of a column, represented by a letter, and a row, represented by a column. By a number. So this cell right here is cell E10. It's in column E, row 10. And let me just go and zoom up here to even make this more obvious. That's cell B2. And this one is C5. Now, as always, whenever you're doing something, remember to go and save. So File, Save, and it's all the way over here, slightly off screen. But File, Save, and remember to save things in a name that makes sense. You're going to be picking, when any of these assignments, whenever you save anything in this class for these Excel assignments, I want you to make sure that it is an Excel workbook. I want the .xlsx. I want that. I want that. Why? Because when it comes later on in these coding assignments, we're going to be using codes, and I need to be able to click on your cells to see the code. Hence why I want the XLSX file. Okay? For those of you that are using Google Sheets, you will be using File Export. You will export it as an Excel document. Okay? So, I do not want a PNG, I do not want a picture, I do not want anything other than the native file type of XLSX. Now also, you can double-click a sheet and rename it. So here we go, I'll just rename this to D. Monticchio, just to prove it. Rule of thumb, always have your name somewhere. Always have your name somewhere, so if I have a name here, and a name up in my file name when I save it, we're good to go. If you need to make another sheet, there's a little plus button right there for new sheet. Boom, now I have a new sheet and it's right over there. If I need to delete a sheet, I can just right-click it and say delete, and there it goes. So now, with that being said, I will now, that's basically the overview of this concept. We're going to be in this program for 2 weeks' time. 4 weeks if you're seeing this on a full semester version instead of a half a semester version. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about data types. So you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Have fun.